Hello children, welcome to your maths class. In the topic of perimeter and area, in the previous video we discussed how to find perimeter of irregular shapes, squares and rectangles. Let's quickly revise what we learnt in that. The perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure. That is, we add up all the lengths of its sides to find the perimeter of any figure. To find the perimeter of a figure, we add the lengths of all sides of a given figure. To find the perimeter of a square, the formula is 4 multiplied by the length of its side. To find the perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Let's focus on some of the application sums of perimeter. A triangular field has sides 210 meter, 180 meter and 230 meter long. How many meters of wire is required to fence the field? The best way to solve such kind of problems is to draw the figure, so that the confusion between whether we have to find the perimeter or area is reduced. Let's find out like this. It is a triangular field, that means it is in the shape of a triangle. And one side is equal to 210 meter, the other is 180 meters and the third one is 230 meters long. But the question says how many meters of wire is required to fence the field. Now where do we do the fencing of a field? We do it at the boundaries of any field like this. And when we talk about boundaries, that means we are referring to perimeter. Now, as all the sides are of different lengths, so to find the perimeter of this figure, we have to add all the lengths. Adding 210 plus 180 plus 230 meter is equal to 620 meters. That means the length of wire required is 620 meters. Let's take another example. Tarun jogs around a rectangular park of length 50 meter and breadth 30 meter. If he takes 10 rounds of the park each day, how much distance does he cover in a day? So let's see. We'll draw the figure of the park, a rectangular, that means this shape, and the length, this one is 50 meters and the breadth is 30 meters. Now Tarun is jogging around the park. So that means he's jogging like this around the park. Right? So when it is around the park, that means we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter, applying the formula of a rectangle, 2 into 50 plus 30 meters, that is 2 into 80 meters, which is equal to 160 meters. Now that is the perimeter of rectangular park. But the next part of the question says that he takes 10 rounds. Perimeter means only one round. So when he's taking 10 rounds, so the total distance will be, perimeter is 160, number of rounds is 10. So distance covered will be 160 into 10. That is 1600 meters. Right? So the distance run by Tarun is 1600 meters in a day. Now let us understand this question. A square photograph of side 17 centimeters is to be framed. Find the length of wooden frame required. Now here is the picture, a square picture. That means all sides are equal and a wooden frame has to be put. So when we frame a photograph, the frame is on around the picture. That means we have to find the perimeter of picture. Since it is a square, so the formula will be 4 into side. This is how we are going to put the frame. And applying the formula 4 into side, 4 into 17 centimeter is equal to 68 centimeters. Therefore, the length of wooden frame required is 68 centimeters. Hope the concept of interpreting the word problems or application sums based on perimeter is clear to you. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Do practice sums and you will master the concept. Thank you.